Okay, I should be live. Let me just cross check. Okay, I am live on Twitter. Sorry, live on YouTube and live on Twitter. Okay, that that works. Now I can start with today's stream, which is adding the price feed. Give me a second. Okay, yeah. So today's plan is to add a price feed, and we can see in the docs and your docs how they are adding the price feed. There is a tutorial for that price data, and we saw yesterday, right? Using oracles, using oracles, using Dexes or off-chain price APIs. So what we are going to do is we are going to use off-chain APIs. This is DeFi Llama. Let me go to their API docs. Yes, okay. So in here they have coins and current. We can get current price. We can also get historical price based on the timestamp. Okay, that's good. We might do that. Sorry, we might modify our handler to get historical price also instead of just current price. But let's see. Right now, today's aim is to integrate DeFi Llama API for getting the current price and maybe caching the API response. We don't want to we don't want multiple calls, multiple API calls, because we'll just burn through the whole thing. So we two tasks we have today, which is integrating current price and trying figuring out how to cache that price. Because I'm pretty sure we can't hold the state of something when handler is getting called multiple times. So maybe we can save it to a file or something similar. That's the idea for now. Let's see. Okay, let me hide this. Now what we can do is we we need to go to source across handlers, and in across handlers we want price for two things, which is input token and output token. Okay. Before that, we need to figure out the decimal precision, sorry, the precision part. And maybe our schema is wrong. Float, no, schema is correct. Float, float, and this will be float, float. Okay, this is good because we have all the things in float and the actual token amount in big int. That's what I expected also. So let's see. Now, before integrating DeFi Llama, we need to find the decimal for each token, and maybe there is API across API. We don't want, we can use something else, but if across API is already there, that would be great. What can we do? Do Should we just like create a JSON file and Etherscan? Oh no, we don't need Etherscan. We might be able to use just hypersync. Hypersync, then client API docs. We have query, we don't want that. Recall contract function with hypersync. Call read only contract function with hypersync. No, we don't want to execute. Okay, it read function is also executing something. Okay, I guess I just have to give me a second. I'll be back. Okay, so what I was saying is, I don't know if I can call it here with hypersync. So instead we'll just use some other RPC like Alchemy or QuickNode, whatever you like, you can use it. Okay. I guess I need to first start pnpm dev. I want to see get an example token address and see what decimal it is. Okay, now this is running. It's running in the background, so you might not see. It's just catching up to latest block. Yesterday we indexed few blocks. Today we are gonna index rest of the blocks. Okay, so back to our Chrome. We need to go to localhost 8080. Limit 10. Then we need to get input token address, output token address. This is the token, and I want chain ID. So this token is on Ethereum mainnet. We go to Etherscan. And what's up? See the token. Maybe there is a way with hypersync to get contract use like read only contract function, or like call read only contract function. But let's see. For now we go to contract, read contract. There should be a decimals, 18 decimals. Are there any other tokens? This is on RBScan. This is on something else. Okay, there won't be a single API where I can just call a single API where I just send a call data and it will get executed. I have to go on different RPC endpoints and call it that way. That's a little hectic. I don't mind doing that, but is there a better way? Can we see? Okay, I guess we found our solution. Let's see, Ethereum, and copy the address. And do send. Ethereum, okay. can I do this part? Instead of using Ethereum, can I use the chain ID? Let's close this and read. Okay, no, we can't use chain ID in front of it. I want to see all the name of the chains. That's what I'm waiting for. What's this chain ID? Linea. Okay. Let me close this. We can Linea, the name for that chain is Linea only, uh, but with capital L. So we can go here, test, then say Linea, and afterwards add the input token. Oh, great. Another one. I know this is gonna fail, but can we do this? Okay, no, we can't. So we need a mapping. Oh, we already have the mapping. Name to chain ID mapping. That way, we can find name for chain ID in the handler. That's the plan. Let's see. Okay, can I just like modify JSON online? Filter name and chain ID. Okay, transform. That's what we want. Can I search for one? No. Why? Oh, okay. Chain ID. Now 1. Can you say 4261 40, 4216 arbitrum? Okay, we did it. We have the modified JSON, and we can save this as chain ID to name. Chain ID to name dot JSON, and then we are what we are doing. Okay, let's go back. Can we modify this more? Filter get group by name. Okay, let's ignore it. Ignore it for now. Okay, so we have this. We have DeFi Llama endpoint. We can start writing the handler now. Okay, let's close this for now. Then stop the Docker. We are gonna update the price in funds deposited instead of doing it in filled relay. So let's change the part. Which part? This. Okay, we can just do it here. Call DeFi Llama API to get current price and decimal for the input and output token. Let me copy the endpoint. Where is it? Yes, this one. This is the endpoint, and this is the output. Coin is as Ethereum. We can get. Okay. I think you guys already know that. Next is getting input and output token. So const input token address and output token address. We also want const chain ID and destination chain ID. We don't want it in big int. We just want integer. So let's see if that works. We have all four things that we need. Next is read JSON file and find name of the chain for the chain ID. Okay, maybe we should put this here. New file, get name from chain ID dot ts. Okay, for this I'll just use Copilot. Function will get two inputs and it should return two strings. Read JSON file from the root of the project. Okay. Oh, 4 people are watching today. That's good. Hi everyone. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. I don't know if anyone is watching on Twitter, but if you're watching on YouTube, please do subscribe to the channel. It will help me, like a portfolio kind of thing. I'm creating this as a technical like portfolio. So yeah, okay, we have this import fs from fs, import path, oh this is not correct. This is how JSON file looks. This is how the JSON file is structured. What's happening? Okay, I don't know why this is not going through. Oh, okay. My PC is, it's issue with my PC, not the GitHub Copilot. Give me a second. I'll just restart it. Okay, not sure what is taking this long. Why this is taking this long? Let's see. No. Okay, I'm here only. I'm just trying to figure out how to how to get the VS Code back on without shutting down, like restarting the computer. Okay, I guess we need to cut the stream short because I can't actually continue the stream without VS Code, and VS Code won't start without, what's this, shutting down the PC. So I guess we came up with solution. We haven't implemented it, but we can implement that tomorrow. Okay. Um, so sorry about this technical issue, but see you guys tomorrow, same time. And I don't know if I can guarantee you there won't be any technical issues, but I'll try my best. So yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, please do subscribe, and if you're watching on Twitter, please do follow me and come back here tomorrow 3:30 p.m. IST or 10 p.m. GMT. So okay, have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.